Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using QBasic or QuickBasic from Microsoft to solve the area of a circle. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, I have to rename this one, wrong spelling. So we have here print, just formatting print the title area of the circle in QBasic, and then here we're asking the user enter the radius using input command. It will be stored in a variable radius using a formula. Circle equals 22 divided by 7 multiplied by radius raised to the 2. Print using the area of the circle, and then we have here this one is sharp, 4 decimal places, 2 decimal places here to the right, new line, and a program which inform the user that the program has been ended, print, and then end. Okay guys, so I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Let us test our program. Area of the circle in QBasic, enter radius. Let's say we have 4.5. so the area of the circle is 20,002.04 and of program 45. Another example for 5. So the area of the circles is 246.94 and of program. Last example 12.3. 12. So the area of the circle is 1,422.37 and of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on area of the circle in QBasic programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.